Yo, what's good? So yeah, I'm back again with another video, another trade review. So we'll be looking at this AUDUSD and also GBPJPY. These were the trades of like today for me. So yeah. So what led me to trade AUDUSD? Basically it was because of this news we had here Monday night. Just So a few hours, just 1 hour, 30 minutes before the next day, I was looking at price basically taking out this Asian low here. I thought 7 p.m. this Asian low. So looking at price at this point we're here. So price was inside this fair value gap and this breaker. I was looking at price just to like trade from here and like just like so this was what I was looking at for AUDUSD just right before the news, and this was what my trade looks like from here. Basically I sell from here, stop loss just here, and I was targeting, I was looking for a 5 to 1. So yeah, before this, then yeah, that was a loss. So but that was like low risk just because of like there was news, and I mean, so yeah, so that was that on AUDUSD. Then for GBPJPY it was basically just this. Let me just basically I started from the 4 hour here. This was my point of interest. I was using this other block here, and if you go to the 1 hour, you can refine the other block into this other block, and this little fair value gap here. So yeah, so seeing this price was taking out this high at this point. This was news occurred here. I didn't trade the news on live, but it was just something I just like traded, like just demo basically. Okay, GBPJPY. So I traded. Okay, let me connect this. So basically, why did I trade that? It's because of I was just looking at to trade this, like just to see, just to. So we're having price was tapping into this level. Look up here, and yeah, just right before the news, I got this. I got this here. Price closed up. Also, the entry was from here. So basically, me not trading was because it was like 3 minutes before the news, and like the prop I'm using, if you trade like some minutes before the news, it does not count. So that is the main reason I didn't enter this trade, because my confirmation came 3 minutes before the news, like price creating this other block here and targeting this. So yeah, so basically the trade was even like I traded it too tight, and it got stopped at a break even before it could. So yeah, not to spend too much time on that, the main trade that I traded like on my prop account was this. So looking at this 15 minutes, we have this 15-minute confirmation in CRT. So after this, mark your first candle, the next candle. So I was basically waiting for more confirmations. I was on the 3 minutes time frame. Price traded up here again and broke down. So my entry was from this point here, my stop loss here, then I was just targeting this low. So basically my aim was just to like get to break even like today. So as immediately I got to break even, I closed the trade, and that was it like for the day. So so what I mean by break even is like to recoup this loss and this loss also. So this trade recouped this loss and this loss. So yeah, I just closed it. But and again it was below this low, that is London low. So it was like a 1.5 to 1. Then yeah, but the main target basically was the Asian lows. Let me just mark that out. 7. What's the low of 7? Right. So that is basically this. So this was like the main targets here. So it was just like a 2 to 1 realistically, depending on where you place your stop loss. Preferably I'll place my stop loss above this high or just here, preferably, because we have a fair value gap here in which price can trade to. So anything above here, it's no longer be looking good. So yeah, that was it for GBPJPY trade today. So yeah, going into the next trading day, I'll be looking at, we have CPI for GBP like by 2 a.m. So I'm still looking at this pair basically taking out these lows here, because we have all these lows here basically. We have all these lows which was taken out here. So from yesterday's video, I wanted to see price trade up here and then take out these lows for this news. Well, yeah, for the news basically price went up, was basically respecting this. Also we have this fair value gap here also, so it's all the same. But yeah, I got my notification on GBP that is after this, but I chose to go with GBPJPY basically. Repeat the same process. We have 15 minutes reality, so you can get your confirmation from here. 3-minute time frame. Go for some sort of break to the downside. If you are trading this, you can get your entry here basically. Also trade this out. I've gotten my entry here or here. Any of them, I've gotten my entry here, and I'll put my stop loss just above this high. And I'll be targeting these lows here. So you can also target, yeah, these lows too. To I have these lows from previous. They also have Asian low here, but price didn't get there yet. But I believe price is going to get there. But we'll just be consolidating for a while now. Mainly, it's just basically consolidations, taking out previous days high, taking out previous days high. So this might be the high of the week. So just basically, we just need to see how we react here. I just need to see how we react. Basically, mark out the 50% of this. See how we react here. See what we form here. Because these lows are very likely to be taken out. So yeah, then gold, I'll be looking at price taking out at least this high, if not this high also. It would be nice to see us take out these highs and to find a trade to take out this high, and then the target will basically be the low that we're setting here. That is this low. So this will be the target. once we take out this high, I'll be targeting this because this will basically be the Asian low from 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. So it looks like this might be the Asian low. So once we take out this high, depending on the time of day, I'll be looking to target this low for gold. So yeah, GBPJPY on my, the reasons why like I didn't look to target like lower lows is because we already took out this low here previously. So like the likelihood of like coming back here is not really high. It is like a high resistor liquidity run basically if we were to take out this low. Oh yeah. So basically price just reacted from the 50% of this week, and also the 4 hour there's a favor lookup there. Okay, it's not this pair basically. There's 50% of this other block and the 50% of this week. There's no favor lookup here on the 4 hour. So yeah, it was on UJ, yeah, that was the favor lookup on the 4 hour and not GBPF UJ. Oh yeah, so let's see what we have tomorrow. And yeah, let me look at the daily price traded into here, order block. So price might use this to run up, take out this highs. We have these highs here. Now we have this liquidity here. We took out this low here. So yeah, we can look at price to take out this high basically. Order block to take out this high, and this high. Way into this favor lookup basically. So yeah, can mark the 50% of the range. Okay, this 50% of the range, so price can still come to premium basically. So yeah, all these are just mere analysis, but like you need your confirmations during the day. So yeah, during the active trading time of the day. So yeah, let's see what we have tomorrow. So yeah.